Sweeten up your day with homemade candied lemons. This easy recipe transforms tangy lemons into chewy, sugary delights, perfect for baking, cooking, and decorating. With just 2 ingredients and 15 minutes, you'll have beautiful edible garnishes, delicious dessert toppings, flavorful cocktail additions. Let's get started. Bismillah. About 1 cup of sliced lemons, approximately 1/8 inch thickness or thinly sliced lemon rinds. Remove the seeds, optional. In a wide saucepan, combine ½ cup of granulated sugar, ½ cup of water and 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat to a simmer over medium-low heat. And add the lemon slices in a single layer when the sugar is dissolved. Simmer over medium to low heat for 15 minutes. Gently flipping once or twice during the cooking process. When the lemons are slightly translucent, they are finished cooking. Turn off the heat and remove it from the sugar syrup. Let the candied lemons sit at room temperature for up to 24 hours before storing in an airtight container. Store them in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. If you like this recipe, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe for upcoming recipes. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.